Welcome to the module, How to Add Images for Your Listings or Products. By the end of the module, you will be able to understand Amazon's image guidelines, add images to existing listings one by one, upload images in bulk for existing or new listings. Good product images play an important role in making the buying experience a great one. Hence, take immediate action if your listings have missing images. To add images to existing listings one by one, hover over Inventory on Seller Central. Click on Manage Inventory. Identify listings for which you need to upload images. Click on Edit against that listing. Select Manage Images. You can add your product images on this page. The main image is labeled at the top left. Click on Choose File. Browse and select the image. Click on Upload Images to add your image to the listing. Do ensure complete adherence to the product image style guides mentioned here. To upload images in bulk for existing listings, download and open the flat file for the respective category. Enter the SKU for the product in the Seller SKU column and select Partial Update from the drop-down in the Update Delete column. In the Main Image URL column, enter the URL of the main image. If you have any additional images, enter the URLs in the Other Image URL columns. Save the file as text tab delimited and upload it. If it is a new product listing, enter all these attributes along with other relevant attributes. In such a case, remember to select Update from the drop-down in the Update Delete column. The rest of the process remains the same. That is, you save it as a text tab delimited file and upload it. It can take up to 24 hours after adding an image for it to appear on the website. Some important pointers on the image guidelines. Image should be on a pure white background. At least 500 pixels on each side preferred. Maximum 3000 pixels permitted. To activate zoom, should be between 1280 and 3000 pixels on the longest side. To take full advantage of zoom, we recommend at least 2560 pixels on the longest side. Thank you and happy selling with Amazon.